Can I add whole home audio without pre-wiring? If so, which speakers would I use? We're gonna answer this question in today's video. Let's go! Welcome back, Dream Media family. Today's question is, can I add whole home audio without pre-wiring? And if so, which speakers would I recommend? Today I'm gonna be answering that question. So guys, yes, you could have whole house audio. Every single one of you guys should and will have whole house audio at some point in your life. It's just how advanced and sophisticated will that system be? How easy to use will that system be, right? Is the real question. To what extent do we need to go to a Dream Media to meet your level of expectation? So I guess my first question would be to you is, what have you had in the past? But generally speaking, I'm gonna just kind of give some guidelines here. We get a lot of people that come to us with existing homes, right? A lot of these older homes will have some kind of wiring in place for whole house audio, maybe a couple speakers in the patio, a couple in the dining, a couple in the living, and just a basic configuration. All right, guys, so let's start off with you have no wiring whatsoever. Where do you start? Well, guys, I'm gonna be going with Wi-Fi, right? If you know that you don't have any wiring in your house and you wanna put in a whole house audio system, the easiest way to go is wireless through a product like, say, Sonos is going to be my top pick for easy to deploy, just easy setup, fast, right? It's not gonna be the absolute best, but it's gonna be really easy and quick. We need to create an infrastructure, a backbone for that Sonos system, that wireless system to live on. So the first thing we do when we find out that a client's home has no pre-wiring for the speakers is we talk about a Wi-Fi system, an advanced Wi-Fi system, not that motor router combo unit that you have from your ISP, your internet service provider. That unit, it puts off, basically think of it like a bubble, right? Gives you a little bubble and you can probably connect a few devices to it. It's an average unit. It will get the job done up to a certain point. Say you have a larger home, you're pushing 4,000, 5,000 square feet and you have a lot of these devices. Maybe you're pushing 10 to 20 Sonos devices now. Well, all of a sudden this becomes a serious problem. Sonos can support 32 devices on the system at one time, and we have homes that we're doing that with, but we put in a solid, rock solid infrastructure with access points that have a seamless handshake handoff from one location to the next throughout the home. So we need an internet provider that has really fast speeds, and then we need a robust infrastructure network installed with access points evenly spread throughout that entire home, ensuring that every single one of those wirelessly connected devices gets a strong signal and can connect to each other. Because whole house audio only sounds good, guys, if all the speakers are in sync and they're not dropping out, right? Like, you want consistency, you want them synced, you want it to sound throughout every space of the home consistent, right? So if you do not have wiring in place, wireless is a solution. The best solution? No. So let's talk about the recommended solutions, guys. If you have the ability to consult with our specialist on the ground level when you're building the home, or if you're getting involved in a remodel, because even though wireless technology has come a long way, I personally have a lot of wireless devices throughout my home, they do fail. And they're gonna fail a lot more frequently than a hardwired device. So if we have 30 wireless speakers throughout this home, there's a good chance that, some of them are gonna fall off, not sync properly. Like, there could be issues. Whereas if I put in a controller and I put in a advanced distribution system to where every single one of my wires for my speakers, like here in the kitchen, terminated back to my rack, then I don't even have to worry about a stream essentially being pulled for every one of those in-ceiling speakers. These in-ceiling speakers and the 15 speakers on my back patio all are just pulling one feed. I have a Sonos port feeding all of the whole house audio. So I can have the office on, I can have the garage on, I can have the kitchen on, I can have the I have primary bathroom, primary bedroom, I have game room, pretty much my whole house can be fired up at one time and not really be pulling on the network super hard. What has kind of bogged down my network and what will bog y'all's networks down long term is the wireless devices. So I've filled my gaps essentially with wireless speakers. So yes, I have speakers right above my head in the kitchen, but it didn't sound full enough. I wanted a little better dispersion and also some more treble and bass. So in this room, I have in-ceiling speakers from RBH, high quality speakers, and then I have filler Sonos Era 100 speakers here at the rear of the room. And then in addition, I have a Sonos sub right here in the dining room, a wireless one. And then I have another Sonos sub over there in the formal, just as filler bass. The sub, as an example here in the dining room, is actually connected wirelessly over the network to the kitchen speakers, acting as supplemental bass for these in-ceiling speakers and the ones over the cabinet. So in my home, I've kind of gone a little overkill, but I really like high quality audio every single step throughout my home. Like, I hate it whenever it's blasting in one room and I can barely hear the music in the next. So I hope I answered your question, guys. If you don't have wiring, don't worry. Here at Dream Media, we have solutions and we have the industry leading best products to choose from. We really put our heart and soul into creating system designs, guys. Everything is about planning and getting the appropriate wiring, the appropriate products into place as soon as possible. Whenever you're building the home, dropping these in-ceiling speaker wires, it's very, very inexpensive and it'll make your system more reliable long term. So the takeaway from this video should be, yes, we have solutions. Yes, we can do full-blown wireless everything if you want. I mean, even in this house, I didn't have the ability to build it. So this is a cool topic for me because I have so many wireless and wired products. I had some stuff that the builder pre-wired, and then I added so much more after the fact. If I built this home from the ground up, I would have had more wiring in place. Prime example is my shades. So every probably 6 months I have to change, I have to go up and actually with a rechargeable battery that's inside, put a magnetic charger on it and charge all of these. In addition to that, they are connecting wirelessly through the Sompy app over the network. So if there's an issue, there could be a problem. Whereas if these were hardwired, it wouldn't matter if the network went down. It wouldn't matter. The Wi-Fi network wouldn't matter. It would still function. So I guess what your takeaway should be is reliability being number one, wired. Convenience and ease of use, fast setup, but not quite as reliable, go with the wireless options, guys. So we can help make your wireless system as robust and solid as possible, but it's still wireless at the end of the day, and we're kind of gonna be held hostage to the internet service provider's speeds, and consistency of that network that they deliver. We can amplify it and build a better Wi-Fi infrastructure in the home and do like static IPs and things like that to make everything function better. But still, wireless is never going to be as good as if we could hardwire everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informative. If you have any further questions, set up a consultation with our specialist. Check out some of our other videos for inspiration. We do everything, guys, from dedicated home theaters all the way to crazy outdoor setups where TVs are popping out from underneath the ground. We do high-end lighting designs and motorized shades and drapery. Just really, really fun technology for your home. We also have a Dream Media Plus program where we will handle the system design, full-blown schematics, 3D renderings, and animations of your entire property from start to finish. And we got a lot of those going on right now. Those are gonna be our highlight properties where we really go to the next level to show what Dream Media is capable of at a high level. As an example, we're doing a motorized heavy duty drape that's gonna open up from the primary bedroom down in Texas down to the pool top deck. And that's like a 40-foot drape that we're setting up, automated shades, just really cool stuff, right, guys? We are technology focused. We want to stay on the forefront of technology. We're constantly at the trade shows getting you guys all of the new, latest and greatest intel so that you can make that educated buying decision. So if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to smash that subscribe button down below for more. Till next time, this is Zach with Dream Media Home Theater. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you on the next one.